I stand by the mirror in a rented room. Street signs hung outside the window. A list on my phone, names crossed in red. Hands steady now, no shaking left. I paid my dues in crowded rooms. Smiles traded just to stay included. Tonight I draw a thinner line. I step inside, call it mine. Every seat I took for someone else left my spine bent, eyes kept low. I learned my value costs a voice, so I speak it plain, let it show. Today's big is me, no crowd involved, no hands to raise, no price to show. I bet my name, I sign it clear. What I select decides my worth right here. I walk through noise with borrowed plans, wore borrowed rules like second skin. Applause came cheap, respected not. I kept the bill, I paid it in. I cut the feed, I shut the door. No votes allowed inside my chest. What stays with me must earn its place. No free access, no second guess. If standing firm offends the room, that tells me more than words can say. I won't trade ground for empty nods. I keep my foot in, step my way. Today's pick is me, no crowd involved, no hands to raise, no price to solve. I bet my name, I sign it clear. What I select decides my worth right here. I'm done asking mirrors for approval, done with lines that ask me small. If it costs my spine or voice, then it costs too much, that's all. Today's pick is me, no crowd involved, no score to chase.